Hello my friends, in this video I'll show you a trick of Instagram that you need. There are a lot of reels on Instagram. In this video I don't want to explain Instagram algorithm. I just want to show you how to tell Instagram that don't show to us reels related to a topic. That's how we can only see the reels we're interested in Instagram Explorer. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Let's get started. Open Instagram app. Go to Explore. Here are some videos we may not be interested in. Tap on that video. Tap on three dot icon and tap on Not Interested. Now you should tell Instagram why you didn't like this video. If you don't want to see reels from this Instagram account, choose this option. Other videos like this video not be shown to you or will be shown less. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have a good time, my friends.